you can achieve a lot of moves in skipping like double unders, double under crisscross. Don't rush the process. Okay, keep moving with the flow. You know. So yeah. First of all, skipping is a great exercise for your cardiovascular health, and it's very great for your mental health and physical health, and to shape your body into a like athletics. What's up, guys? It's Chaudhary Abdul Hakim. Today I have a topic about skipping. If you want to know about skipping, comment down below. So I am learning today the basic bounce of skipping. First of all, you know the basic. I know you are listening my song clearly. If not, inshallah I will upload this video again to help you guys to motivate you. So yeah, skipping is like a cardio exercise. Okay, so first of all, okay, do not waste further any more time. Let's get started. So yeah. So first of all, skipping is a great exercise for your cardiovascular health, and it's very great for your mental health and physical health, and to shape your body into a like athletics. So I'm learning basic bounce. Okay, so first of all, if you are a complete beginner, okay, it's very difficult to to execute this move. Okay, there are a lot of moves in skipping. So first of all, as you are beginner, you don't know you don't know how to grip the skipping. Okay, so yeah. So as I'm learning the basic bounce, so yeah. So first of all, if you are beginner, once again, so you come your skipping from your backhand side, like, and your elbow should be placed like backward, like that position. So as you are complete, don't know about skipping, first time you are grab that skipping. So you know your posture is naturally like that. You have uh, away from your body arms. Okay, so it's completely normal, and you do like that. You jump a lot. You know, it's natural. So it's required a lot of practice, dedication, and hard work to achieve to achieve the move. So you are beginner, you do like that. It's completely normal. For so okay. So uh, try to try to place your arm in backward, so it look aesthetic and pleasing. It look great on you. Okay, so yeah, like first of all you do once, okay, then stop, and you do not uh, bend your knees like that. Okay, try to keep your knees straight like that. Okay, like that, and jump. First of all, without skipping, you can also try that. Jump, 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 jump. Okay, if you are then when you are comfortable, then execute that move. Okay, uh, in starting, do once, then stop. Okay, okay. If you trip, it's normal. It's okay, because you don't know anything about skipping. Okay, so yeah, just keep trying, keep pushing, and you will achieve. Inshallah, I will guarantee you. Okay. One, then twice, then stop. Okay. The key point is here is to okay, as you are slow, okay, in skipping, you will learn quickly. Don't rush the process. Okay, keep moving with the flow. You know. So yeah. Then thrice. One, two, three, stop. Okay. Okay. As you are comfortable and getting better, because your body adopt that thing. So when you are getting comfortable, your mind tricks. Oh yeah, I can do better, I can do better. So then you gradually increase the pace. It's a key point. So yeah, I will show you some, you know, in little bit speed mode, little bit. Okay, you can do from, you know, uh, reminder that you know, place your arm in backward position. Okay, it required a lot of practice to, you know, to gain that position. First of all, you can do that. Okay, it required practice. Then coming from backward, the rope like that. Then 1, 2, 3. Then also increase the pace. That is it. You can achieve a lot of moves in skipping, like double unders, double under crisscross. Recently, I unlocked my switch cross. I am very happy with that. I will show you some. Okay. So it feels very great when you achieve. You know, it motivates me to push myself to go further in life. So yeah, it motivates me. So that's why I picked that drop. If you are comfortable, okay, so join me. Yeah. I recently uploaded the video of dance. Yeah, it's very interesting topic. If you want to learn also the dance move, you know, like that, right? Okay, so you can comment down me below. So, inshallah, I will answer that. Okay, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so do so. You know, it motivates me and it gives me the, you know, confidence to, you know, to come on the camera and to speak with you guys. So yeah, join me, bro. And that's for today. I hope you like my video. So give it a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. God bless.
Fear, see clear, you deserve to be great.